What's up guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I shall be showing you how to download Fortnite on the PC or laptop, whatever you're using. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you guys must know that Fortnite is owned by Epic Games, or basically it was created by Epic Games. I quite don't know, but you need to download the game from actually Epic Games. So most probably you will be downloading the Epic Games store first. So we have the Fortnite right here. Okay, so but first we're gonna hit the download on the top right, and we're gonna download the Epic Games Store. And give me a sec, I shall download that. Downloads, installers, and let's save it. So once it's done, I shall be downloading. I shall be continuing the video from on to there. So see you in a sec. Okay, now once you've downloaded that, we're gonna install that, and we're gonna wait for it to quickly download. And we're gonna launch the Epic Games launcher, and then we're gonna be downloading Fortnite. Okay, so here's an update again, so we're just gonna fast forward through this. Alright guys, I just skipped a lot because there was this login procedure that I had to take some time, because I haven't used this account in forever. But once you're done there, you can either hit Fortnite from here, or maybe it already exists in your library. That really depends upon if you have been using it or not. But you can go to store, you can search for Fortnite, or it should be here on the top, and then you can hit play for free. And then let's see, it's loading. I don't know why my internet's slow. I literally got an update. Okay, it is in the library. We're gonna hit on that, and then we're gonna hit install, and then we're gonna browse where we want this. So I'm gonna choose my biggest hard drive, which is E. Right, and let me just add another folder. Epic Games. Alright guys, that is all. You hit install and it is gonna get installed. Please make sure that you have the recommended space already on your PC, and you shall be able to download the Fortnite game without any difficulties. So if you have any problems with this tutorial, please do leave your comments and your valuable feedback in the comments box, and I shall see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe.